In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with charts in Google Forms. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to go ahead to your Responses tab that's located at the tab. Then when you scroll down, you will find the insights of all the points that are in the quiz. You can also scroll down, and here you can find the charts for each different question. There is a different chart. So for example, the select question has a chart and the rating question has another chart. So each question has its own chart. As you can see here, they are so different. Now if we scroll down to the rating, you can see that the chart is different as well. Now if you take a close look, you can see that there is a Copy Charts button right here. This is used if we want to copy this chart and paste it in a Google Word or any PDF document. So this was how to work with charts in Google Forms. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.